Assalamu alaikum. Patient reminds me of the time when I was baking cookies with my mom. The house smelled so good, I wanted to eat the cookies right away. So I asked my mom if I could eat them. She said no, they were too hot, so I waited. Allah loves people who are patient. It was hard, but I still waited. And when the cookies were ready, I finally took a bite. And they were delicious.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Redha Jaweed and I'm from the Islamic Center of Livermore. I want to start with my heartfelt condolences to the grieving families. In times like these, it is very important to remember that we are all taken care of by Allah, al-Wakil, or the trustee or disposer of affairs. It reminds believers that even in moments of fear, injustice, and grief, Allah remains in control and worthy of complete trust. In times like these, amidst the recent tragedy of the San Diego Islamic Center, we must return to this name for strength, taking every practical step for safety and justice, while ultimately placing their hearts and affairs with Allah, Al-Wakil. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Musa and I will recite this ayah from Surah Baqarah. الذين إذا أصابتهم مصيبة قالوا إنا لله وإنا إليه راجعون. This means, who when disaster strikes them, say, indeed we belong to Allah, and indeed we will to Him we will return. Like we say, Hasbi Allahu wa Namal Wakil. Allah is sufficient for me, and He is the best disposer of affairs. Jazakallah, thank you for listening.